This is part 2 of my Paiseec S3 electric mobility scooter review. In part 1, I discussed the specs, unboxed, assembled, and went over the settings. In part 2, I'm going to provide real-life test footage and review the scooter. Paiseec reached out to me asking me if I wanted to review their mobility scooter, and I agreed because I plan to give this to my elderly grandparent who needs a wheelchair. This should provide him with more freedom, being able to operate it himself, and relief to his caregivers. I wanted to see for myself how well this product worked before giving it to him, and demonstrate its capabilities so you're able to make an informed decision whether to purchase one of these. Let's get started. I'm going to test the acceleration and max speed in each of the gears, starting with low. I also have a GPS speedometer on my phone on the right. Let's go. It says we're getting 2 miles per hour, and on the GPS it says the same thing in low. That's the max that we're going to get. If we let go of the trigger, it stops by itself. Let's go to medium. It says we're getting 4 miles per hour. The GPS says 3, and that's it. Let's go to high. It says that we're getting 6 miles per hour. The GPS also says 5 to 6. And 6 is the max that we're gonna get. Let's go to reverse. It says we're getting 1 miles per hour. The GPS says 0, but we're still moving, so it might be a little less than 1 mile per hour. And then for the walk mode, we have to physically stand and push the scooter. It provides a little bit of electric assistance so that we can push the scooter. And we're getting 1 mile per hour. On high mode, I'm going to try the scooter on this semi-slope to mulch. We lost some traction.
Take the seat before driving.
Wet mulch isn't the ideal condition, but once it has traction, it's able to go even when the terrain is slightly sloped. Now we're at some semi-wet mud. I'm physically pushing it in walk mode. This surface is less muddy. It's like sand, and we're able to take it. Now we're going on a gravel path. And we're hitting the max speed of 6 miles per hour. As long as there's traction, this scooter can take it. On this paved road, it is not an issue. Sloped gravel. Not an issue. It actually works surprisingly well. Let's try grass. Not an issue. It's not recommended, but it works on the road. The only limitation is that it only goes 6 miles per hour. It would have been nice if it could do 25. If we had tires with more tread and not these slick tires, we could probably go off-roading with it. These tires are more suited for urban settings like sidewalks and stores. The steering is very predictable. Coming from 6 miles per hour, if I try to make a sharp turn, it automatically slows down by itself, which is a nice feature. And then when you go down hills, it automatically slows down as well. We have it on the sidewalk and it takes about half of the width of the sidewalk. Hopping on, let's go. Sidewalks are not an issue. It's pretty quick in high mode. The steering is very predictable. We're gonna unload it from the vehicle. We're gonna try going in an elevator. Tested on this semi-steep incline.
Dangerous road condition. Please dismount and walk the cart.
I'm gonna go up the slope pathway and then go along this narrow path. Now we're going to load it into the vehicle. Moving on to the review of the Paiseec S3 mobility scooter, what I like most about this scooter is how modern and sleek it looks. I also like that it folds easily. It takes about 20 seconds for the entire thing to fold down. You just pull the seat down, pull the hand rest backwards, and then fold the front. You can also lift the front of the scooter and pull this to your vehicle. There are also smart features, so when you're going downhill, it automatically slows down. If you do turns, it automatically slows down. It detects if you're on the seat. If you're not on the seat, then it won't allow you to move. There are 5 different modes: reverse, low, medium, high, which adjusts your max speed. Low has a max speed of 2 miles per hour, medium has a max speed of 4 miles per hour, and high has a max speed of 6 miles per hour, and walk enables you to push the entire scooter with some assistance. The battery is also removable, so you can take the battery out and charge it separately. The basket is also a nice feature. You can put your items when you go grocery shopping in there. It's also very maneuverable. I was able to go inside an elevator, in and out of it without any issues. It's able to reverse and turn in tight spaces. I was also able to ride on gravel and mulch to some extent of success. With the mulch, when it's not compacted, the rear tires would slip a little, but when the mulch is compacted, I was able to take it without any issues. I was also able to go up a hill about a 25% grade, and the motor did not struggle at all. The overall mobility scooter weighs 61 pounds without the battery. With the battery, it adds another 9 pounds, so that's 70 pounds. Carrying 70 pounds into the back of a trunk is somewhat difficult, especially if the caretakers are a bit older. The max speed is also 6 miles per hour. Sometimes I felt like it was a bit slow, especially on flat paved surfaces. It would have been nice if there was an option to unlock the max speed to go maybe 10, 15, possibly 20 miles per hour. But I understand why they didn't do that for safety reasons. Another thing I noticed is that even though you can lift the entire wheelchair up for space savings, there's no padding on the back of the seat or the handrest. So when you do store it upright, it tends to scrape the back of the seat or the handrest. So it would have been nice if they put a bit of padding right here or over here. But other than that, I really enjoy this scooter. For the latest pricing, please check out the description section below. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and take care.